How to create account of Riot Mobile. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create account of Riot Mobile. So if you want to create an account on your Riot Mobile, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to download the Riot Mobile app from your App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Just go to your Play Store for your Android device here and search for the Riot Mobile here. Once you have searched for the Riot Mobile on your search bar, you have to download the Riot Mobile here. So once you have installed that, just go for the play or open option here and launch the app on the device. So here you have to look for the option to create a new account or sign off here. So you have to fill in the required detail, which may include email address, username and password. So you can log in with your Google ID. Here you can see the different platforms. Just go and continue your account on your Riot Mobile. So after that, you can go for the create an account here and you have to write your birth date here. And just go and read and accept the term of services and privacy policy here. Just go and click on here. Just go for this and go for the accept option and you have to follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup here. So you can go for this and you have to write the game tagline here. So after completing your on-screen instruction and verification here, you have to navigate through your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Just tap on that. So here you can see your profile. Just go for the gear icon, which is on the top right, and you can complete the setup once verified. So this is the step how you can create your account on your Riot Mobile. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.